At any given moment, over 10,000 aircraft are in the sky, and they never collide. Behind every flight is an invisible, three-dimensional highway, built in real time. Air traffic controllers are the unseen architects of that highway. They guide every plane from the gate to the runway, through the climb, across the ocean, and back down. 100,000 flights a day, zero collisions. How is that possible? Today, we decode the hidden system that keeps global aviation safe. It starts at the airport control tower, the most visible part of a largely invisible system. Controllers in the tower cab have a direct view of the airfield and manage all ground movement. Before pushback, the pilot requests clearance from clearance delivery. Clearance includes the route, the initial altitude, and a unique squawk code. Once cleared, ground control directs the aircraft to the active runway. The handoff is seamless, from clearance to ground, then to tower for takeoff. On takeoff, the tower controller hands the flight to departure control. Departure climbs the aircraft along a standard instrument departure, or SID. The SID is like an invisible spiral staircase in the sky, guiding the plane away from the airport. Once at cruising altitude, the flight enters en route airspace, managed by area control centers. As the aircraft crosses sector boundaries, controllers perform a handoff, verbally and electronically. The flight moves from sector to sector, like a baton in a relay race, all the way to its destination. Controllers see aircraft using a network of radar stations and satellite-based surveillance. Secondary surveillance radar sends out an interrogation pulse. The aircraft's transponder replies with data. Multiple radar sites provide overlapping coverage, blanketing entire continents. ADS-B, Automatic Dependent Surveillance Broadcast, lets aircraft broadcast their position via satellite. Pilots can see nearby traffic directly on their cockpit displays through ADS-B In remote areas, multilateration uses multiple receivers to triangulate an aircraft's position. For decades, controllers tracked flights using paper flight strips, each one representing a single aircraft. Today, many centers use electronic flight strips on touchscreens, but the principle is identical. The radar data block shows the aircraft's call sign, altitude, speed, and destination. Each piece of information helps the controller build a mental picture of the traffic. A flight progresses through a series of strips, each marking a key phase of the journey. The controller's workspace combines screens, strips, and voice communication into a single, focused flow. Over the ocean, there's no radar. Instead, controllers use procedural separation. The North Atlantic Organized Track System changes twice daily to take advantage of wind and save fuel. ADS-C, Automatic Dependent Surveillance Contract, sends position reports via satellite at set intervals. Oceanic controllers use CPDLC, Controller Pilot Data Link Communications, to send text instructions. The pilot acknowledges each instruction, maintaining safe separation in the vast, empty sky. This system ensures that even over the most remote ocean, no two aircraft are ever too close. Controllers undergo rigorous training, spending months in simulators before handling live traffic. The job demands intense concentration, but also calmness under pressure. Shifts are strictly regulated, with mandatory breaks to prevent fatigue. Controllers work as a team, with supervisors overseeing the operation and stepping in if needed. Every decision, every altitude change, every vector, is made with safety as the absolute priority. In an emergency, a controller's voice is the calmest thing in the sky, guiding pilots to safety. Air traffic control is a silent, real-time symphony of technology, teamwork, and trust. It's one of humanity's most remarkable achievements, and it works perfectly, every single day. Source Code Daily is where we bring these hidden systems to light. If you value understanding how the invisible world works, please subscribe and turn on notifications. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Keep decoding the source code behind modern life.